Hello YouTube. So I'm trying to figure out an issue with my car. So basically, happened like a few days ago after I took it to a mechanic. Sorry about that. So I took it to a mechanic to fix like a battery issue. Like basically my car wasn't generating power, and now I drove it that day and a new issue just arrived, and I don't really have the money to fix it or take it to a professional to take a look at it right now. So trying to see if you guys know any issues with it, so maybe that either A, I can fix the problem, or B, I can limit it down to something. That way, like, when the professional takes a look at it, I'm just going to tell them to just take a look at this, and it probably won't cost me as much. So I'm going to start up the car. And then, I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but it's like making like this clicking noise, like a. And it seems to be coming from like the passenger side. I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is open up my front hood, and maybe you guys can tell me if there's anything wrong with it real quick. So open up my front hood real quick. Like, I've already got a oil change, so I definitely know. I thought it was oil dealing with it because the noise seemed to stop when I changed my oil. But that's not it either. Um, so this is my car. Like the problem seems to be like around this area. Like, this is where I hear the issue. So I don't know what I'm not a big car person, or else it comes from like right here. So it's like all this area. So again, I'm not a car expert, but like I definitely know, like, I'm not gonna drive my car on this, and I haven't like touched it. But if you guys know anything about it, please comment, let me know, or what I can do to fix it. Because well, I'm trying to go home for the weekend, and I can't really just like, I'm not gonna drive my car like 6-7 hours road trip with this noise going on, because then it might be a bigger problem when I get stuck there. So just let me know, please. Thank you.